So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to solve this very amazing question, right? It's kind of very easy, but by looking at it seems quite difficult, right? But when you see the solution it becomes very easy to solve this kind of question, right? So pay attention throughout the video, and during any point if you have any query, any question, you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? So now let's proceed. Let's see how do we solve this kind of question, right? 8 raised to x equal to 32 raised to x, 32x, right? And obviously we have to find the value of x here, right? So pay attention in the solution. So first question will be how do we proceed, right? I am sure I have solved many questions on this type, right? And you must know that how do we proceed, how do we find the solution of this kind of question. So 8 raised to x equal to 32x, right? So first of all, if I bring 8 raised to x into denominator of 32x, then it will look like 32x divided by 8 raised to x equal to 1. I hope this much is clear, right? It's very easy. So now what will I do? I will bring this 32 into denominator of 1, right? So x divided by 8 raised to x equal to 1 by 32. Clear, right? So now I will bring 8 raised to x into numerator. So it will look like x into 8 raised to minus x equal to 1 by 32. I hope this much is clear, right? And I have said many times there is one property that if I have a, I can write it as e raised to ln a. Same way, here I have 8. So I can write 8 as e raised to ln 8, right? So same property I will apply here. X into e raised to ln 8 raised to minus x, right? Equal to 1 by 32. So now if I multiply both of these power, then it will look like x into e raised to minus x into ln 8, which will be equal to 1 by 32, right? So far I hope you don't have any doubt, any query, right? Because this is very basic steps and this is very easy. So now I'm sure now all of you know which method I will use, right? I will use Lombard's W function, right? If I equation like t into e raised to t, and if I apply Lombard W function, then our answer will be only t, which means I have to convert this whole equation into the form of where exponents, coefficient of exponents and power of exponents both have to be same, right? So here I have power of exponents minus x into ln 8, and coefficient of exponents here I have only x, right? So I can say if I multiply by both the side by minus ln 8, then there is possibility I make sure that power and coefficient both are same. So minus x ln 8 into e raised to minus x ln 8 equal to minus ln 8 divided by 32. Agree? So now if I apply Lombard W function both the side, right? And one thing, make sure that whenever you apply Lombard W function, you have to apply both the side, left hand side and right hand side, right? You cannot apply only left side or only right side. You have to apply both the side. Then only you can apply this function, apply this property, right? So according to this property, t will be our answer. So here t is minus x ln 8 equal to, but if you look at this equation, this is not in the form of t into e raised to t, right? So we have to convert this equation into this kind of equation. So what will I do? See, minus ln 8 divided by 32. Now if I multiply in numerator and denominator by 2, pay attention, minus 2 ln 8 divided by 64. Agree? So now minus 2 ln 8 into I can write 1 by 64. Agree? Same way, minus 2 ln 8 as it is, and I can write 1 by 64 as 1 by 8 whole square. Agree? So now minus 2 ln 8 as it is, and I can write 1 by 8 whole power 2 as 8 to minus 2, right? I have take 8 into numerator instead of denominator, so power will become negative. So again I will use this property, 8 equal to e raised to ln 8, right? So minus 2 ln 8 into e raised to minus 2 ln 8, right? Here already I have minus 2. So now you can see that coefficient and power of exponents both are same, which means this is in the form of t into e raised to t. So I can now apply Lombard W function. So if I apply, t will be our answer, which means t here is minus 2 ln 8, right? So Lombard's W function of minus ln by 32 is minus 2 ln 8. Agree? So again, minus ln will get cancelled out, minus will get cancelled out, so our answer will be only x equal to 2, right? So if you put x equal to 2 in this equation, then it will be 8 square equal to 32 into 2, which means both the side I will get 64. And there is one another method, right? If this kind of question can be asked in MCQ exam, in objective exam, then you can directly, you then don't have to solve this question by this method. You can directly apply method of hit and trial, which means you will put different value of x, right? Obviously you can only apply this method whenever answer is to be in integer form, right? But because if answer is fraction form, then you cannot apply this kind of method, right? Then you have to solve this question by this long method. But whenever answer is in integer, then you can directly put, for example, if I put x equal to 0 here, then here I have 8 raised to 0 will get 1, and here 0, both are not equal. If you put x equal to 1, 8 and only 32, not possible. A minus 1, then you will get 1 by 8 equal to minus 32, again not possible. If you put 2, right, 64 equal to 64. So you can say that x equal to 2 is our final answer, right? So I hope this much is clear. I hope you don't have any query or question, but if you have, then you must comment me in the comment box and ask me the query, right? And don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.